Over to
Yeah,
you, Nikita.
yeah. Thank you, Aditya. Hi, everyone. A very warm welcome, and to all the testers, leaders, and all the explorer and brave survivor who have made it into the session, which is survival kit for manual testers in AI jungle. I am Nikita Singh, and today I stand here not as just as a guest, as a tester, and not just as a speaker, and not just as another voice in the vast world of quality, but as a fellow human navigating the wild jungle of artificial intelligence right beside you. So before I begin, I would like to go through through my PPT. So my PPT consists of welcome, introduction, AI jungle. I will introduce the landscape, then why manual testing still matters, then essential tool of manual tester, protective gear to survive, and survival skills, communication device, food, fuel, and this is basically not the usual presentation and all the session that you have went through since the morning. And this is gonna be a bit fast, I can say that. And I have kept only you can see that only pictures, there's no content. And this will basically a storytelling in which we are living in the AI jungle, and how the manual testers are trying to survive and all that. So this is what I'm going to talk about in the session. So that was a brief view about the session. So let's continue. So before I begin, I would like to do a small exercise with you all. So take a deep breath and just imagine we are you woke up one fine morning, and you're logging into your professional platform, and you see your entire field is filled with AI was replacing manual testers. 100% test automation is achieved. Manual testers time to learn coding. You scroll a little more, and you see reels of robot clicking UI button faster than we can blink. Tools generating 100 test cases in 10 seconds, and YouTubers are claiming that manual tester will disappear like dinosaurs. We all see those posts, right? There is a strange pressure, a mix of excitement, anxiety, hope, and what is going on. That exactly why this talk exists, because today is not about choosing human versus AI, but the end of this session, you won't just understand the jungle, you will walk out with a complete survival kit. Let's move to the first slide. So analyzing and maintaining analyze and mountains of data overnight. AI is powerful, but what does it mean for that of us who love the detective work and problem solving of manual testing? Testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about delivering product that real user love. The human side is is more important than ever. Even as AI becomes standard, we live in a world where AI tools can read requirement, AI can generate test cases, AI can write script, AI can heal the broken locators, AI can create bugs report, AI can even explain you your own code back to you. We used to run test, now tests run themselves. We used to execute scenario, now scenario execute automatically. We used to think, now AI tool thinks with us, sometimes faster. This can sound intimidating, about like stepping into the into a thick jungle filled with unpredictable creature, unknown noises. Automation is not new, but automation with AI is not the same thing. Traditional automation was like using a map. AI automation is like entering a dynamic forest that keep rearranging itself every morning. But here is the truth, most people don't say out loud. AI isn't taking over testing. AI is taking over the repetitive, predictable, mechanical part of testing. And honestly, thank God, because we never enjoy those part anyway. But AI cannot take over over everything that makes us human. That's where our survival start. So let's move to the next slide, which is basically the jungle understand the automation landscape. In any jungle, survival is important. So let's quickly decode the AI testing landscape. What lives here, what grow here, what bites and what bloom. The automator boots script self-healing frameworks, they move fast, they work hard, and they keep evolving, but they don't know why something matters unless a human tells them. The predictor AI model forecasting defects, They analyze logs pattern, user flow, but they cannot understand frustration, emotion, or business. The test generate LLM create test cases, super powerful, but they don't know what is scenario, what it's relevant, but practical and logical, unless you validate it. The transform tools that change test automatically, they adapt fast, but they cannot foresee human behavior or usually real world situation. End to end AI testing platforms, they scale beautifully, but someone must hold the vision. Automation and AI have transformed many repetitive tasks in testing, generating test cases, speeding up regression tests, analyzing logs, or visual validation with precision and pace no human can match. We live in an era where AI backed platforms. So, yes, the AI jungle is real, but every jungle has heroes, and in this one, the hero isn't the biggest machine, the hero is smart human. Platforms and tool rapidly analyze thousands of test scenarios and flag defect faster than even. However, this AI jungle is uh, complex. Automation can create a false sense of security. It is fast. AI generate outcomes can have hallucination, fabrication, and misinterpretation that even expert manual tester must detect and correct. This brings me to a recent high profile example that every tester should know. Deloitte AI used for Australian government report. Deloitte was contracted by the Australian government to prepare a comprehensive $440,000 report assessing welfare system automation. For this, they used AI based on Azure Open AI GPT-4 to assist with drafting and analyzing context. However, they finally report the final report contains several errors, from AI hallucination, fake codes, fabrication, academic referrals, and in accurate large data that forced Deloitte to refund the part of the contract. This story tells remind us that AI can amplify efficiency, but also amplify risk if not carefully overseen. Skilled human Deloitte itself stated the core report finding remain valid, but highlight the crucial need to strict human verification to ensure quality and trustworthiness. This event is real world lesson in the absolute necessity of uh, pairing AI with human skepticism, judgment, and quality assurance. Let's move to the next slide, which is why human testing still matters: human intuition, creativity, and empathy. Let me say this loud and clear: manual testing is not dying, manual testing is evolving. People who think manual testing is disappearing doesn't understand what manual testing actually is. Manual testing is not clicking button without automation. Manual testing is understanding how user think, exploring what could break, imagining real life conditions, finding issues machine cannot, connecting dots beyond code, feeling the product like a user. You cannot automate curiosity, you cannot automate judgment, you cannot automate human empathy. Let me give you an example. Imagine a scenario: a banking app pop-up says your transaction has failed, please contact support. AI says this message displayed correctly, where a human tester will say this message can cause panic, suggest adding a retry option, or using a calming tone with a clearer step. That impact, that value, that irreplaceable. The part of our work that AI can automate were never the part that made us tester. You bring empathy, you bring intuition, you bring human perspective, you bring unpredictability, the very thing AI cannot replace, and that's, my friend, is your superpower. So, what makes manual tester irreplaceable? Human testers bring their unique superpower. Automation cannot duplicate intuitions. Deep experience allow tester to sense when something feels off, even if AI tools show green light. Creativity, human thinks outside script, path exploring, unexpected user behavior, or edge cases AI doesn't predict. Empathy. Manual tester understand real user frustration, accessibility, need, UI, XI norms, and emotions, emotional context element. AI overlook. Let's move to the next slide, which is essential tool of manual tester: notebook, exploratory mindset, and caffeine. Every jungle survival need a toolkit in your updated deck. I love these fun elements, so let me expand them into powerful metaphor and practical weapons for testers. The notebook, your brain on paper. This is not just notes, it's your map in the jungle. What you capture is observation, old pattern, hypothesis, UX, frustration, mini scenarios, edge cases. Your notebook can see what AI cannot. Exploratory testing, your campus. Exploratory testing is not random clicking, it is scientific curiosity. What happens if I do this? What does this behave like? Or why does it behave like? What if a user tried this or that? AI follows instruction. Explorations lines beyond instruction. And the favorite one is caffeine, your official fuel, based unofficial fuel, basically. I can say that, let's be honest, coffee, chai, green tea, whatever your brew is, this this fuel your long sessions, your bug hunts. AI doesn't need coffee, human do. But human with coffees are unstoppable. Bug radar, your inner ability to sense wronginess. Every tester has it. You look at something and you feel the, well, this will break. That instinct, that inner radar is your survival advantage. Develops survival skills such as identify pattern in thinking, like user and maintenance, escape routes for critical manual intervention. This ability ensure you can adapt and respond efficiently to complex situation. Let's move to the next slide, which is protecting gear for survival. Survivor carry tools, warrior carry armors. Here are the protective gear every tester need in the AI jungle. Shield of skepticism. Never accept AI result blindly. Ask, why did the AI generated this? In a logical, it is logically correct. Does it match business flow? Healthy skepticism, your shield. Helmet of curiosity. A curious tester survive longer than fast tester. Curiosity lead to better test ideas, better bug report, deeper understanding, strong domain knowledge. Blade of critical thinking. Instead of just reporting issues, ask, why did this bug happen? Could it have been prevented? What does who does it impact? Who will face this? AI can detect failure, human detect consequences. Now let's move to the next, which is survival skills. Tool and gear are useless without skills. Here are the three survival skill manual tester must master in the AI age. Pattern recognition. AI is amazing at recognizing pattern, but AI cannot recognize meaning in patterns. How you somehow can see user frustration because business risk, UI inconsistency, hidden dependency. Pattern recognition transform you from tester to strategy. Empathy testing. The human superpower empathy is not emotional weakness, it is test excellence. However, ask yourself, how would a new user react? What if the user is stressed? What if the user is in a hurry? What if the user has a disability? That's empathy. No AI model can feel human pain or human disability. Then escape route. In the AI, in a jungle, survival means escape route. In testing, escape routes are what are the alternative flow, what fails silently, what hidden inceptions exist, what if something unexpected happen. This help you find bugs that automation misses entirely. Let's move to the next one, which is communication devices. A tester who cannot communicate is a tester whose value stays hidden. Your communication tools are bug tracker, your digital voice. A bug report is not a complaint, it's a story about what went wrong, why it's matter, what is who is affected. The better your storytelling, the higher your impact. mind of machine translation. Your writing plus prompt skills. In the AI era, we all need to become excellent at prompting AI tools, writing clear instruction, converting user intent into test logic. The better you communicate, the smarter your AI tool behave. Communication support, community support. Your tribe, no survivor survive alone. Testing communities like AI right now. We are connected from multiple conferences, and they learn, share, support, collaborate with your tribes, multiple which basically multiply your strength. Let's move to the next slide, which is basically food and fuel. Survival is not only about tools and skills, it's also about staying mentally alive. Your food and fuel include snacks, quick energy, healthy tester as a sharp tester, caffeine, mental clarity, humor. Your secret weapon. The testing world can be stressful. Humor keep us safe. Laugh at failures, learn from it, walk forward. Moral booster. Remember why you become tester. Curiosity, creativity, solving puzzles, helping people, improving lines. That purpose fuel survival more than only any energy bar could. Final wisdom. The human tester irreplaceable role. Now we reach the heart of the jungle. After the tool, the gear and the skills and the survival hack, there one thing left, which is basically AI can stimulate intelligent, AI can accelerate productivity, AI can automate excellent, AI can even assist in decision making, but AI cannot replace human intelligence, AI cannot replace human intuition, AI cannot replace human insight, AI cannot replace human empathy or human ethics. You are not just manual tester, you are the user advocate, you are the product science, you are the team safety net, the business reliability, the company risk detector, the creator of quality, the voice of logic, the heart of testing. AI is powerful, but AI is not empathetic. AI is imaginative. AI is not intuitive. AI is not responsible. AI is not accountable. You are, and that is why manual testing will not disappear. They will head, they will evolve, they will grow, and they will thrive, not despite AI, but because of it. So as you walk off this session today, carrying this with you, AI is not your competitor, AI is your co-tester. Automation is not your enemy, automation is your armor. The future does not replace you, the future needs you, because behind every successful product, behind every smooth experience, behind every stable release, behind every bug free journey, there's always a human mind that that cared enough to test it deeply. That's human is you, and you, yes, you are irreplaceable. So on this note, thank you so much. I hope your journey through the AI jungle become exciting, empowering, and full of growth. Stay curious, stay brave, stay humble, and just like that, the last slide says, humble enough to know that I can be replaced, confident enough to know that there is no one like me. I'm Nikita, signing off and handing over to ATA. And if there's any question, I can answer that. Thank you. Should I stop sharing the slide?
Yeah, Nikita, you can stop and thank you for a wonderful session.